This is a 2007 Cadillac STS. This four-door sedan has an automatic transmission and a 4.6-liter V8. Its top features and packages include a double wishbone independent front suspension, a navigation system, traction control and stability control systems, XM satellite radio, aluminum wheels, and a tire pressure monitoring system. The following features are also included: a heated steering wheel, a sunroof, heated seats, leather seats, a four-wheel independent suspension, a security system, a passenger side vanity mirror, dusk sensing headlights, steering wheel memory settings, and this vehicle has less than 58,000 miles. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
Columbine Ford is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 2728 Railroad Avenue in Rifle.